Welcome. In this video, I am going to explain MathQuiz application in C# using Visual Studio. This application generates questions that contain random numbers between 0 to 99 and placed operators that are plus minus multiplication between these random numbers. This application generates random numbers until we press N. When we press N, it shows total number of questions, how many answers are correct and how many are incorrect, and how much score you scored. In this application, I have implemented the marking scheme of +2 -1, which means for correct answer, you will be awarded with 2 marks, and for wrong answer, 1 mark will be deducted from your current score. I am going to explain the actual implementation of MathQuiz application. First line of code is using system. In using system, using is a keyword and system is a namespace. Then question comes in mind, what is a namespace? So a namespace is designed for providing a way to keep one set of names separate from another. The class name declared in one namespace does not conflict with the same class declared in another. Then I am creating a class name with MathQuiz. In C#, class name follows Pascal case naming convention, which means first letter of every word in the identifier is in uppercase. Then creating a static main method. In main method, declaring some int type variable n1, n2 to store random numbers, ans variable to store answer entered by the user, and QUES to store answer generated by the application. A score is a variable to store score, opt to store random numbers, NOQ to store total number of question, RA to store total number of right answer, WA to store total number of wrong answer. Next, we create object of random class in order to generate random numbers. Then printing a statement on console, welcome to MathQuiz, using the writeLine method of console. Then running a while loop, inside while loop taking input from user using readLine method of console class. Then implement if condition, if ch equal to n, then printing the score, total question, right answer, wrong answer, then break the while loop using break. Then calling the next method of random class using random object to get random integer numbers and store in variable n1. Similarly, again calling next method and store random integer number in n2. Opt is used to store random number from 0 to 2. Then use switch and pass opt as argument. Based on the opt value, switch cases gets executed. If opt value is 0, print 2 random numbers and places plus operator between them. Store the value of n1 plus n2 in QUES variable and increment NOQ. Then it breaks. If opt value is 1, print 2 random numbers and places minus operator between them. Store the value of n1 minus n2 in QUES variable and increment NOQ. Then it breaks. If opt value is 2, print 2 random numbers and places multiplication operator between them. Store the value of n1 into n2 in QUES and increment NOQ. Then it breaks. Then it takes input from user using readLine and convert entered value to a 32-bit signed integer. Then use if to check whether the answer entered by user is correct or not. If it is correct, print right answer on the console, increment score by 2 and also increment right answer variable RA. If answer is wrong, then control comes in else block, print wrong answer on console, decrement score by 1 and increment wrong answer variable WA.